everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Very tasty and delicious, juicy honey mustard popcorn chicken. It's so easy to make and it's super delicious. Let me show you today how to make honey mustard popcorn chicken. The ingredients we need: 2 chicken breasts, which is boneless, skinless, and I cut into smaller pieces. Smaller the better. We'll be marinating with 2 eggs, half teaspoon each, degi mirt, salt, black pepper, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, for the coating all-purpose flour, which is maida. Honey, this is wildflower honey, and this is yellow mustard. We're going to combine it together and then we're going to coat it. Once we're going to deep fry the popcorn chicken, then we're going to use honey and mustard. So let's start marinating the chicken first. Break open the eggs, black pepper, degi mirt. With the help of whisk, we're going to beat it well. Once nicely beaten, add 1 tablespoon cornstarch. With the help of whisk, combine it well. Once it's nicely combined, there is no lumps, add chicken. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, set it aside 10 minutes, then we're going to do the coating with all-purpose flour. We waited for 10 minutes. Mix it one more time. And now I'll bring all-purpose flour. Take out the chicken pieces and place it in all-purpose flour. Just keep putting all the pieces. Once we added the chicken into all-purpose flour, then we're going to coat it. We're going to make sure that each piece is nicely coated and they're not sticking together. If they're sticking together, just break them open. Now we'll take this one to our gas and we're going to deep fry it. Oil is heated up. The chicken is ready. Grab each piece, shake the extra flour, then we're going to deep fry these. Once the chicken is fried, we have a tray up here. We're going to place it. If there is any oil, it will drain out. Then I have a strainer ready. So let's start putting in. So place it in. So keep adding. Fry this in 2 batches. The fry is pretty big. We're going to add more chicken. So we added half of it and half is still here. And within 2 batches, it will be all done. So we're going to make sure that we're going to fry it really well. I'll turn the pan on. And if you look at right now, this is very nice and crunchy. We're going to make sure that it's nice. If we change the color like a golden brown, then we're going to pull out. Just flip them over like this. So the top portion goes on the bottom and the bottom comes on the top. As you see, it's a nicely changing color, the golden brown. So the tip is make it smaller pieces and they cook faster. All the chicken pieces are nicely done. Very crunchy and beautiful texture. So I'm going to pull these out and we're going to prepare the second batch. One tip I want to share with you: when we take the chicken out, and look at this, the crunchy noise. Give it like 30 seconds so the oil can heat up. So as the oil heat up again, we're going to start putting the second batch. As you see, we are all done. This is the second batch. Now cook them well. You can hear it, very crunchy. We're almost done. If you see, nice and crunchy. Look at this. Very delicious popcorn chicken. I'm going to pull these out. If you see, it's a nice and golden brown. Very nice color. This is what we need. Place popcorn chicken onto the rack. If there is any oil, it will drain out. You can hear that nice crunch. So let me share with you. Get a mixing bowl, 1 tablespoon yellow mustard, honey. We're going to add like 2 tablespoons. With the help of whisk, mix it well. This is going to be our coating. Add chicken. Mix it. Once it's nicely coated, then we're going to dish out. Once it's nicely combined, look at this, very delicious honey mustard popcorn chicken. Let me share with you. Honey mustard popcorn chicken is very tasty, juicy, tender, and very delicious. You've seen it. It does not take that long to cook it. Please try it and share your comment below how it turned out for you. Like always, like, share, and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.